Jake Breeler, number 1.
Sean Wolf, number 2.
Dominic Fox, number 3.
And we're Checkered Flag Racing.
The first process of constructing the car is to draft the design. We had to make a 3-view drawing and an isometric drawing. Next, we had to make our board drafts on Google SketchUp. This allows us to clearly show the car in 3 dimensions.
After drafting, we began to make the car into a mold. First, we had to draw and cut out a wood block. Once cut, we had to file and sand the car to make it smooth. We chose a color and heated up the plastic. The plastic was then put over the mold and was vacuumed.
Lastly, we had to construct our circuit boards. We used directions from a packet and soldered the pieces into place. We had to program our circuit board using a pickaxe program. Next, we sanded our chassis with 3 types of sandpaper. Then we bent our metal chassis. The last step was to connect the circuit board, wheels, motor, and gears to the car.
We're taking home the checkered flag.